Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, back again with another video. And in today's video we'll have a quick unbox of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So stay tuned in and do not skip the video. As you can see, I've got the two S26 Ultra lined up. This allows for a comparison of which option present a more aesthetically pleasing color format. Put your thoughts in the comment section which looks better. Okay, with that said, now let's move on and open the box and get our first expression. Just so you know, prices starts from £1,279 for the 256GB of storage with 12GB of RAM, £1,449 for the 512GB of storage with 12GB of RAM, and £1,699 for 1TB of storage with 16GB of RAM. Comes in 4 different colors: black, white, sky blue and violet. You also get Samsung exclusive color, which are pink gold and silver shadow, but you can only purchase them from Samsung.com. Now let's do the same procedure with the other box. Honestly, both colors are fantastic. Girls, pink gold is an excellent choice if you're looking to get the S26 Ultra, and guys, you won't regret the violet either. Both are fantastic. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll be doing my full review in my next video, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to get the notification, and if you have any question, comments or concern, hit me down below and I'll get back to you. Until then, take care, goodbye.